guys, this is Anam from deliciousanddiy.com, and today I will be showing you guys a fun dollar store vase makeover for spring. I started off painting the vase using a light blue and a dark green glass paint color. I poured a few drops of the light blue glass paint color and the dark green color onto a disposable plate, and then I mixed it around until it was fully combined into this beautiful light sea green color. Using my soft brown fluffy brush, I started painting the vase. I painted the vase in about 2 coats of the color, even though it didn't need 2 coats. But I just decided to, I didn't want to waste the paint. I decided to just paint over it again. When the base coat was painted on and fully dried, it was time to draw the flowers and the leaves onto the vase. I chose yellow, orange, and coral color to create my flowers. This part was pretty much freehand and abstract. Design however you like, whatever you're comfortable with. It doesn't have to be perfect. I went all around the vase creating abstract flowers in different shapes and sizes until it was almost filled to my liking. I alternated between all 3 colors, layering them on top of each other as well. These glass paints by Decoupaged have really good coverage, and they're available in 10 different colors, which all of them are really beautiful. Painting the leaves was pretty easy as well. I used the same colors, the dark green and the light blue paint colors that I used as the base coat, and started painting leaves onto the vase. think it really makes a difference if you add on layers of different colors onto the same design. When the flowers and the leaves were finally painted onto the vase, it was time to add a little dimension onto the design, which is why I used the beige glass paint and created like these brush strokes on the leaves and a few dots in the middle of the flowers as well. I even created like an outline of the flowers using the same beige glass paint color. This last step of using the black glass paint to outline the design made all the difference. And here is the final result. I will link everything down in the description box below, the materials, the supplies, everything. And if you guys really enjoyed this makeover, please like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week.